Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. This is the pound yen from the 28th. Now I don't know whether you're still in this trade or not. What I want to do is just show you how you can adjust your stop loss if you are still in this one. So we'll just go to the chart. This is still running, pound yen. I've got this open on a 1 hour chart. The entry and the stop loss is still the same level. What you can do, since we've gained a little bit of ground here, is this. You can look to pull your stop loss down, and I mean even tighten it up above this here if you want to, or you can take it up into this high, okay, back here, and just adjust the trend-based fib extension. I showed you this in a previous video. Adjust that so that you reduce your risk for one thing, and you might even take profit one early. Okay, TP1's going to be around the half the distance of the stop. Since this is kind of messing around here and not really going anywhere, you could either close in profit now if you want to. Nothing wrong with that. Let me just show you this trend-based fib extension. In fact, I'll delete it off here and I'll show you how I'm using this. So this is the trend-based fib extension. This guy here, I've just put a star on it. What we do is we click on the entry point, pull it in the direction of the trade, click it again, and then go back to the entry point and click it. So then we grab here, this handle, and then we pull it until the one at the top touches our stop loss. Now, given that we've traded to the downside, it's more or less ranging. Let's just set this up so that we're in a risk-free. All right, so let's just pull the stop loss up. I mean, where do you want to go with that? You could even, look, you could close the trade now if you're not happy with it. All right, let's just see what happens if we pull our stop, like really tighten up this stop loss, like so. And then this is our TP1 here. All right, now if you find that you're in a trade and it's just grinding sideways, it's not really doing anything, close at break even, or in this case we'll be in profit. You can take your 2/3 of your position off here and see where that leaves you as far as the risk. Now you really want to be break even or better, so work that out. Once you close 2/3 of your position, work that out, and then you just adjust your stop loss accordingly. And then that third of the position that you leave in, let it run. I mean, it's risk-free at that point, and you want to go for broke, really. And unless it reverses and takes you out, then fine. If you gain a bit of ground, you can move your stop loss, and you can tighten up your TP1 if you want to, especially in a situation like this. Again, really risk management is key. Look after your capital, protect your account, keep taking money out when you can, and let these other ones run as best you can, because these are going to give you quite a nice risk reward, and you don't need many of these. Have a look back. If you shorted it up here and you did that there, look where you'd be. It's kind of how we look to maximize our gains and manage our risk, pretty much. Okay guys, with that, if you've gained anything from the video, smash those likes. Give me a thumbs up, it helps the YouTube channel. Subscribe to YouTube if you haven't. This is a VIP trade idea. Join VIP if you haven't already. Join Discord, the link is below. With that, safe trading. See you in the next one.